you all that the Business Advisory Committee sat today to finalize the draft calendar for the budget session 2020-21. The draft calendar is as follows. The first day of the session will be on 5th March 2021, and it will continue till the 19th of March 2021.
So how many private business and government business working?
It has been decided that we will have government business for 7 days, and we will have private members business for 4 days, which is total to 11 days business.
When will be this budget presentation?
The budget presentation will be on the 10th of March 2021, where the government business is going to be taken up on that day. Where we have discussed, this is the second meeting that I happen to be in Delhi to meet him, and in fact I had asked him for some sort of help in facilitating the funding of the new assembly building. We understand that the state government cannot go up the door. They have assured that they will try to see that whatever funding for the building will be taken care of. But after I have spoken with the Honorable Chief Minister, he has addressed that due to some constraint because of this pandemic and other issues. So therefore, I requested the Honorable Chief Minister, after my first meeting with the Honorable Speaker of Lok Sabha, to meet him and to apprise him more about the need of how exactly the funding from the central government.
How much additional fund do the state?
So in fact, the total budget for the the estimates for the new assembly building is about 200 crores approximately, and we had seek for about 100 crores, and the same has been made aware with the 15 Finance Commission. So the 15 Finance Commission has recommended around 100 crores for the new assembly building. And after we have met the Honorable Speaker, we got the chance to meet the Honorable Finance Minister also during my last visit with the Honorable Chief Minister, and we have requested her that to kindly consider and approve all the recommendations made by the 15 Finance Commission, especially from my side, other than what the Chief Minister, like the government, proposals which has been recommended by the 15 Finance Commission, in particular, that she will look into and see that how they can accommodate that recommendation. Well, I think the state government, as I've seen, they have already responded to what the agitations which is on, and today I was trying to reach the Chief Minister, but he's not reachable because he's in Tawang, and just now we had the BSc, so I had discussed the same with the Deputy Chief Minister and addressed that they will try to end up this agitations which was called by the taxi associations and other organizations with regards to the fuel price in the state. So they have given some sort of assurance. I could see that maybe at the latest by tomorrow, I think things will work out. But I also saw the organizations who have called for this, strike. I think this has created a lot of inconveniences to the public at large. So I feel that once they have, expressed their the points of which is against the the price hike, by the government, I think they should at least give some time for the government also to work it out, understanding the inability of the chief minister who was not in station. So I understood that the chief minister will be back today. If possible, I would like to request this organization at least to call off the strike, because this has created a lot of inconvenience to the public in general.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.